The objective of this training session is to help you set different services and their charges given in the hospital. Services are things like oxygen charges, nebulization charges, ICU nursing fees, and so on. This video will help you understand how to enable services used in your hospital so that you can charge for them in MyOPD Beds hospital software. This is a one-time activity that you would do initially before starting to use the software. To begin with, select the My Services option under Profile section. You will now see available service categories on the left. Services defined under each category will be shown to the right. Each service will have category name, insurance-related IRDA code, service name, OPD charge, IPD charge, and a final column to select if this service is available in your hospital. You can select different service categories on the left and see the services added under them on the right. You can either set the service charge to a fixed value or keep it zero so that the staff can enter it while billing the patient for service. The View My Services button is a quick way to check which all services are enabled for the hospital in our software. You can enable and disable them on the right side. In case you don't find the service or package you want to add in the list of services we have provided, use the Add New Service button. Select the service category, service name, and OPD charges of this service. If you want to keep the OPD charges flexible during billing, enter 0. If you enter a value here, your staff cannot modify the charge during billing. You can also directly modify the charge in the OPD charges column of the existing service. When you are done with all the modifications, click on Save All. If you do not click Save All, these changes will not be saved to the master. Setting of service for IPD is slightly different. Click the Set or View option in the IPD charges column for any service row. You will now see the available bed types. You can set a different rate against each type of bed. When the service is used during patient billing, the correct rate is considered based on the bed category of the patient. This way, your staff does not have to remember the different rates of multiple services, for different types of beds, in the hospital. Once you are done, click Save All. That brings us to the end of configuration of services in your hospital. Thank you.